Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well, and we are in the third week now. We are working on soul part and lace part and performing different exercises. And all the coaches, we are happy to see you working out and taking efforts. That's why we are moving forward, and we are going to use inner step and outer step in these exercises now. So. There are few things which you have to take care of. The first thing is while doing exercises of in step and out step, you have to make sure that after having a touch, the ball should be in your control. It should not move away from you. Like it should not for a long distance. It should move away from you, but it should be in your control. So this is the first thing you have to take care of. Okay, the second thing, uh, throughout the week, last last 2 weeks, we are watching your videos, and we came to know that most of you are focusing on filming the video more rather than concentrating and focusing in while doing the exercises. So this should not be done. You have to focus and give your 100% to perform the exercises only. The third important point is you have to perform the exercises for the given duration only. So if the coaches had tell you in the have tell you in the video that you have to do the exercise for 30 seconds and you have to do it for two times, then you have to do that exercise for 30 seconds only and for two times only. So for minimum two times only. If you are comfortable doing that exercise three times, as you are familiar with that exercise or comfortable with that exercise, then you can perform that exercise. But you have to follow the instructions given by the coaches. Okay, so as I told you, we are happy that most of you are working out. We are hoping that we'll get 100% participation from all of you, and yes, we will make sure. We are just hoping for that, and I'm sure one day, from one day, you will all of you all the kids of the academy will work out together. So coming back to the point, we are working on the inner step and outer step in this exercise, in this plan, in this week or the next week. So the first exercise in this plan is in step moving. So in this exercise, you have to uh, control the ball very perfectly. So you have to do this exercise for 1 minute, and you have to do this for continuous 1 minute and into 3 sets. The second exercise in this plan is in step out step ball moving. So yes, in this exercise also you have to perform the exercise for 1 minute, continuous 1 minute with one leg, and then you have to change to the other leg. So you have to do this exercise uh, for three times with the right leg and three times with the left leg. The third exercise in the plan is in step U formation. So you have to perform this exercise with the right leg first for the 30 second, and then you have to change the you have to do the exercise with your left leg for 30 seconds. So this is how one set will complete, and thus you have to complete 3 sets. So you will do the exercise with three times with your right leg, three times with your left leg, but alternating time, like once with the right, then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, like this. The fourth exercise is also same. You have to do like third exercise. That is the fourth exercise is out step U formation. You have to do this for 1 minute for each leg, and you have to do it for three times. So three times with the right, three times with the left. The fifth exercise is carrying and in-step movement. So for this exercise, you have to uh, do it for continuous turns, continuous times. You have to not stop while doing this exercise. So you have to do for three times. So you have to do it continuously for 1 minute, and you have to do it into 3 sets. The sixth exercise is carrying and outstep movement. So again, you have to do it for continuous 1 minute, and you have to do it in three sets. The seventh exercise is carrying instep and outstep shuttles. So this exercise you have to do for continuous 1 minute, and you have to do it for 5 times. So you will have to perform once it with your right leg, once with your left leg, and you have to do it for 5 times. The eighth exercise in this plan is instep in a square. So you have to perform this exercise in a square, performing circles with your inner step part, and you have to do it for 30 seconds for 5 times. So while doing the instep in square, you have to continuously do it with your right leg first, then for 1 minute, 30 seconds, for 30 seconds, and then for then you have to switch your leg, and you have to do it for 30 seconds with your left leg. So you have to do it for 5 times with the right leg, 5 times with the left leg. And the last exercise in this plan is outstep in square. So again, you have to do this exercise in a square box, performing the circles with your outer step part. So you have to do it for 30 seconds with your right leg for 5 times, and 30 seconds with your left leg for 5 times. So these are the exercises for the next 3 days. I hope you will enjoy these exercises, as we are starting with the basics now. And yes, the three things which I told before giving the description of the plan, you have to keep in mind, and you have to focus on that. And yes, all the best.
Hello, from today we are doing our new exercises. So our first exercise is instep ball moving. For this, you have to stand straight and use your inner part of both the legs. So you have to do for 1 minute and 5 repetitions. Thank you.
Instep, outstep, ball movement. Instep, outstep, instep, outstep, instep, outstep, instep, outstep, instep, outstep. Now with the left foot. Instep, outstep, instep, outstep, instep. Ow. Let's do it. Instep, outstep, instep, outstep, instep, outstep, instep, and then outstep. This is how you have to repeat it. Now we are doing starting from one point to other point, instep movement and formation of a U. Instep, 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 then try to stop the ball and try to turn again. Instep, 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 and done. Then again turn, then again go with the left foot. Instep, 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 again turn, and go with the instep and stop the ball. Again turn, do it with the right leg again. Instep, 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 again turn, instep, 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 and then stop the ball. This is the way we have to function with the instep U formation movement. I hope it is very clear. Thank you. Now we'll start with the outstep U formation. First we'll do it with the left foot, outer part, outstep. Take soft touches with the outer step, out foot, and try to be behind the marker and stop the ball. Then you have to do it with the right foot, outer part, and take it over here. Now turn again. Now you will go with the right foot, outer part. Move, 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 stop. Turn using your outer part of the left foot and stop. Again we will go with the left foot, outer part, and stop the ball. Again right foot, outer part, and again stop the ball. Turn. Again right foot. 1, 2, 3. Stop the ball. Again outer foot. 1, 2, 3, and stop the ball. This is the way you have to make the formation of U with the use of the outer part or outstep of the foot. Thank you so much. Now we will be performing the exercise about how to carry the ball and then perform an in-step movement before reaching the marker. I'll do first with the right foot. 2, 3, in-step movement, out-step, and take a turn with the same out-step. Then left foot, then in-step movement, again out-step movement, again turn, again carry the ball with the lace part, again the in-step movement, again the out-step movement, and turn, again carry the ball with the lace part, again the in-step, out-step, again turn, again lace, in-step, out-step, turn, again lace, again in-step, again out-step, and that's it. Yeah, it was a bit tough for me because I'm doing after a long time, but definitely it will be better for you as you are practicing from so long, and this is the way you have to do it. Thank you. Now we'll be performing with carrying the ball and outstep movement. Starting from point A, you have to approach the point B and watch how you have to do. Lace part, carry, out foot movement, stop the ball, and then you have to turn with the outer part of the left foot. Turn, again stop, again lace part, outer part, again outer part of the right foot, again stop the ball and restart. Go, outer part, stop the ball, outer part of the left foot, again stop the ball, lace part, outer part of the left foot, stop the ball, and go with the outer part and stop the ball. Again lace part, carry, outer part, stop the ball, turn with your outer foot and go back to the initial foot and stop. This is the way. Good one. Thank you. Now we are starting with the ball shuttle, where we will be carrying the ball with the lace part and turning on the first point with the inner part of the same foot and turning with the outer part or out step with the same foot. And this is the way we start. Lace part, and turn with the inner part, again lace, and stop. Now with the same foot and lace part carrying, move. Again outer foot, turn, and back to your place, and stop. Now we'll go with the left foot. Left foot, lace part first, then you have to turn with the inner part on the first marker and the outer part on the second marker. Lace part, turn with the inner part, back to the place and stop. Then again we'll do the lace part of the left. Go, and then using the outer part, turn, look up, and take it. Now again we'll be doing with the right foot. Move, carry and turn. And stop. Again right foot lace part, carry to the second marker and turn with the outer part. Now again we'll be doing in the left foot. 1, 2, and turn. Very good, perfect. And then with the lace part of the left foot. And I'll turn with the outer part. Yeah, it was very tiring for me. But yes, again, I'm with all the grassroots kids restarting my workout. And yes, it will be tough. But I hope you are doing your workout regularly so that you don't have to restart from zero like me. Thank you.
Hello, now we are doing our 8th exercise, in step in a square. For this you have to make a square marking, then in this you have to use only a inner part, not a sole part. I'm showing you a demo, and make a circle inside the square. I'll show you in a regular speed. So, this exercise you have to do for 15 seconds and 5 repetitions. Thank you. Our last exercise is out step in a square. We have keeping a same marking, square marking, and instead of inner part you have to use outer part in this exercise. So I'll show you in a regular mode. Basically, this exercise you have to do at least 30 seconds and 5 repetitions. Thank you.